What's up guys, this is Mike from Terrestrial Imaging, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install the Terrestrial Imaging CGO3 Plus and CGO-ET mount adapter for the Yuneec Tornado H920. Before we get to the installation, I just want to point out a couple things that are really important to know before you purchase this kit. So one, this kit only works with the H920 Plus that uses the ST16 controller. So if you have an H920 that uses the ST24, this kit won't help you out. And then two, I want to point out that it can allow you to use both the CGO3 Plus camera that's for the Typhoon H480 and also the CGO-ET. But be careful if you plan on using a CGO-ET, especially if you don't already have one, that you purchase the correct one. So with the CGO-ET, it has to be the CGO-ET for the Yuneec Typhoon H, and that's the Yuneec Typhoon H480, not the Plus. So I know there's a lot of different names. It can get a little confusing, so rewind if you have to. So we've got a bunch of stuff on the table, so just thought I'd explain it real quick. So we got the CGO4 camera. This is probably something you have with your H920 Plus. Then you have the mounting plate for that camera, which comes with your copter, so it's not part of the kit. And then we have the CGO3 Plus camera, and so this is the camera that you'd mount using the adapter. Again, this doesn't come with the kit though. This is purchased separately. And lastly, we have our adapter kit. And so part of the kit, this is the main piece, the adapter with the plate for the camera. You have the connection wire that plugs into the copter, and then you have the screws with the spacers. Now for the installation, which is fairly simple. So your setup's going to look something like this. You have the mounting plate, which is on your copter and is probably never going to leave your copter. I've just removed it so that way you could see more easily what I'm doing. And then you have your camera screwed onto this plate right here. And so what you want to do is you want to start by unscrewing the thumb screws and then removing the camera and setting that off to the side. And so our adapter is going to use those same 4 screw holes. And so the adapter, you're going to mount it with the box facing up and the mounting plate on the bottom. And so to start, this has 4 holes pre-drilled into it, so you won't have to make those, and they line up perfectly with the mounting plate. So we'll take the screw, and the first thing you want to do is thread a washer onto it. Then you thread it through one of the 4 holes. It's easier if you start with one screw and then get the other ones on. So again, screw with the washer through the adapter, then the spacer, and then you just simply thread it onto the mounting plate. And you're going to want to hand screw it in first. And then on the bottom, this screw has a 3mm hex shape cut into it, and so you could take a 3mm hex driver and really tighten it down once you get the other 4 posts on. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the other 3 posts and we're just going to line them up and get the spacers in first. So I'll line it up with the spacer in place, go through, and we could even hand thread that one. Again, I'll line it up in the hole. You get the spacer there. Thread it through. Hand screw it. Oop. And then we'll get the 4th one. A lot harder to do this on camera. So there we go. Alright, now that we got them all screwed in by hand, we could take our 3mm hex driver and get them a little bit tighter. You don't want to over tighten it, but you also want it tight enough so it's not gonna ever uninstall on you. So I'll give them all a final tightening. And that's what it should look like on your copter. And again, sorry if that was a little bit sloppy, it's hard to do on camera. Alright, now that you have our adapter installed onto your aircraft, there's only one more thing you need to do, and that's to plug in this connector exactly where you'd plug in the CGO4. So if you look on top of the CGO4, it has the same connector. And so real simple, plug it in the same spot and it'll power the adapter. And then you take your CGO3 Plus, your CGO-ET, you install on the bottom and you bind in the ST16 to the camera and you're good to go. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like and subscribe for more videos. If you're interested in the H920 adapter, you could find it on our online store at store.terrestrialimaging.com.